Hi everyone, in this video, let us learn how to troubleshoot the vulnerability SSH server public key too small on a Cisco MDS switch. RSA public keys shorter than 2048 bits are disallowed and are considered vulnerable. Verify the SSH key configured on the switch. You can see that RSA bit count 1048 bit is in use. It is recommended to install an RSA public key length of at least 2048 bits or larger, or to switch to algorithms like ECDSA or EDDSA. In this example, let us change the RSA key length, log into the switch via serial console or telnet, as it disables the SSH daemon and you get disconnected from your SSH session. In this example, I have logged into the switch via telnet. You can verify that telnet traffic is enabled. Disable the SSH key using the command no feature SSH in config mode. Create the key of appropriate 2048 bits or larger. Re-enable SSH. Verify the new SSH key. You can see that RSA bit count is now changed to 2048 bits. Save the running configuration to start up. Thank you for watching.